Hello friends, this is Chetan here from Apt Resources Private Limited. Hope in my first video, you'd have learned to develop different search strings. Now, in this second video, I'll just ask you, how did you find it difficult or easy? Hope you have find it easy. If yes, let's make it easier. Even if you have find it difficult, let's try to make it easier. So now Chrome extensions at your work to make it more simpler. What is Chrome extensions now and how to use and download this? So let's go to Chrome Web Store. This is the keywords you have to use to download Chrome extensions. So this is the first link, Chrome Web Store. Open this link. Now this is a hub of different Chrome extensions. So in this video, today we will learn near about 8 Chrome extensions, which will help you to find contact details, email IDs, develop some new search strings. Also, some of the Chrome extensions will help you for a ready-made strings. So let's start first how to use it. Now, for example, this is a string called this is a Chrome extension called Bool, B-O-O-L. So I'll just click here. So you have to type the Chrome extensions there in the search bar, then click on that. You will find here add to Chrome. Just click here on add to Chrome and then add extension. This is a common method for every Chrome extensions, whatever the name may be. This is a common method you have to use. Now here there is a message that it has been added to our Chrome. Whenever you want to remove it, just click on remove Chrome extension. Then go to this sign which is on extension. You will find your Chrome extensions here. This is a list of Chrome extension. Now click on this pin. So here on the bar, you will find the Chrome extension. You have to remember the sign of different Chrome extensions. So friends, this is how we learned how to install the Chrome extension. Now, how to remove it? So it's as simpler. Just go to this. Again, go to Chrome Web Store. Then click on the first link, whatever you will get. Now type here the name of Chrome extension you want to remove. Enter. Now this is the first one. It is showing you as added. So click here and remove. That's it. Once you will remove this, then you will no longer see that in your extension list. Okay, friends. So now let's see one by one different Chrome extension. Now we learned how to download it. Now we will learn how to use it. So contact out. This is the first Chrome extensions we are going to see. So as the name suggests, it will fetch the contact details of your LinkedIn, Twitter profiles. So how to use it? So go to this LinkedIn and search here for, say, the search. I will take account executive for Delhi location. And this is the details. Now remember, before using this Chrome extension, let me tell you, you won't find contacts for each and every profile, but yes, you will find for maximum profile, because as I said, the information should be made public. If the user has not entered his details, you won't able to find it. So these are some results. Now let's take this result for Deepak Mishra. Suppose now his profile is relevant for you, and now you want his contact details. Now the first question in your mind will come, you have this contact info here. So why this Chrome extension? So let's click on that. Now see, you don't get any contact details in this contact information. You get is just the link of that person. Hence, this Chrome extensions are required. So the next step is that once you want this person contact details, you have to click on the contact us Chrome extension. So here, this is contact us Chrome extension, and this is the symbol. It has been downloaded the same way which I have told you. So just click on that. Now see, it will show you his Gmail account, his personal details, his Yahoo personal email, his company, and his mobile number. So just click on show, and you are with his contact detail. So you have his mobile number, you have his contact details too. So this is how you can use for different profiles. So again, we will do some different search. Say for example, we will search for admin assistant. In assistant for Mumbai. Now, as I have prepared a different video on how to source candidate in LinkedIn, I am not going in that depth, as you can refer that video. This video is basically for Chrome extensions, how to use that. So Ganesh Hegde, this is the profile. I'll just click on it. Now, if this is a profile for which I want contact details, I will follow the same process again. See, now this is in front of you. He is working as admin assistant in TCS. I'll click here first. There is no contact details, as I said. Again, I'll go to, now you will find his contact details. So this is his contact details. So this is how this contact out extension is used. Further, you have to just click here. You can see the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard of that contact out. For to some extent, it's free. But for if you want an extensive use, you can try their plans. But for say around 20-25 contacts, it's free. So now this is a contact, this is the dashboard, this is the search. So now, for example, if you like this Ganesh profile, so what you can do, you can just click on save profile, and you can add in the different folders such as accounts, and then you go to the dashboard and just refresh that, since we have added Mr. Ganesh profile here. And now then go to the dashboard again. See, this profile Ganesh is here. So you can save the profile, you can get his details, everything. Again, you can create different folders for different profile. Say for admin, I can create a folder for admin. I can share with my teams. I'll save the folder. Okay. So this is for admin assistants. Now, again, this is, they have a basic plan, as I said, which is free up to 25 contacts. Now, there is a second contact, there is a second Chrome extension called Improviser. So now let's Improver. So let's look how it works. So again, if I will click on this random profile of Vaishali, okay, now again she is working as an admin assistant, and I want her profile and I want her contact details. So I'll click on the extension called improver. So I'll just click here, reveal the contact details. As I said, you can't get for all the profiles. So there might be some profile where they have not put their contact details. So you can, if you're not getting through this extension, try this contact out extension. See, through contact out, you are able to get his profile. So as I said, it's a free version. So, but yes, there is a contact details in different contact out or different Chrome extensions. So I'll give you 2-3 Chrome extensions. You can either try this or that. Now let's go to some other profile. Let's try for Twitter now. So I'll go to twitter.com. And I will just search for, say, graphic designer again. I'll go to people. For example, this profile. So let's try if we could find her details. Just click here. No, this is basically for LinkedIn. Okay, these two are basically for LinkedIn. So there are some other Chrome extensions which can be used in Twitter. So let's try this. This is another profile of Mr. Kiran. Okay, so I'll use again. This is the symbol. You have to understand the symbol of improve. Can't find his contact. Okay. So in most of the cases, you won't be able to find the contract. So you have to use different Chrome extensions for that matter. This is the last one we will try for this. Okay. So as I said, try different Chrome extensions for that. Third is again, get email. So let me check if I have installed that. Okay, I haven't installed that. So let's try that. Go to Chrome Web Store. And then we have seen this contact out improviser, then get email. So this is the Chrome extension. Type here. Just get email. Just click here. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. So it's downloading now. It takes some time to download it. Okay, so now it has been downloaded. So this is the symbol. You have to see the symbol also. Click here. Okay. So now it is searching. I think that Chrome extension has been downloaded. Now it's searching email ID for that profiles which we have already opened. So this is the get email symbol. Just pin this so that it will come in here, and now get email. Now it is searching. Okay, click on this profile. Now click here. See, you found his email ID here. So this is the third Chrome extension, get email, wherein you can find the email address. See, again, there are many other Chrome extensions also, but these are something which are widely used. So I have shown you. Now you can see Mr. Profile of Kiran Manjrekar. So here also you can find his email, basically an office email. Okay, so this was the Chrome extensions wherein you can find their contact details. Now this is something UpProc. Now this is an exciting Chrome extension because it gives candidates companies details. So you come to know his company mobile number, email ID, company website, company social logins. So this is most interesting Chrome extension. So let's use this. Okay, again we will go in Chrome extension, web store, click here, and write the name here, UpProc, for LinkedIn. Basically this is also for LinkedIn. For LinkedIn. Click here. This is the sign. Please remember this sign. Add to group. You can get many other Chrome extensions also, as I said. In this list, I will give you another 4 or 5 Chrome extensions in the list. Okay, now again you have to sign up for this. I think I have already signed up, so I'll try to use that login credential. Yes. Okay. So now again we will go to some other profile. Say Java developer. Click here. Now click on UpProc symbol. So let's find that extension first. Let's pin it. And this is the symbol. You have to use the email and the key. So here, after downloading, you have to use the email ID, and they will provide you one API key also. So you have to set that credentials. So let me check if I have received any API key from them. I'll just, I think it is here itself in setting. Okay. So in setting. Okay, so this is the API key what we were looking for. So you have to go to setting and integrations. So again, go here on the LinkedIn profile, click here, write this key, and this is the email ID which I had used. Set credentials. Okay. So I'll just refresh this page. I'll go here. See, the company name is CATSA System, and here is the address. So you will now get the name of the Cat's Eye System solution. So again, let's search for some different profile. So as you saw, you are getting name of the company, the details of the company in which the candidate is working. So this is his profile. Okay, so now you got his company name and the entire profile of Ashok, the name of company, and his email ID, company email ID, company mobile number, also company address. So guys, this was the Approc extension used to find candidates, companies, email address, and companies phone number. I hope you might be finding it very exciting. So let's move to some other Chrome extension, social talent. So now again, we would be shifting our Chrome extensions objective on developing strings. Now in my first video of Boolean operator and X-ray methods, you have learned how to type the strings, how to create the strings. Now this Chrome extension will help you to develop string automatically. So let's start. Social talent. So right here, social talent. This is the first link you have to click. Login. You need to create your account, but this is completely free. Okay, so now I have logged in. Now I am looking for, here it is written add job title. So I'm looking for PHP developer. Add skills. So skill set would be PHP, comma, core PHP. So I'll write here PHP. Then I want PHP 5. So PHP 5. Then I want core PHP. Right, cake PHP. So the only thing is that there should be a drop down for that, or else, okay, it's taking. So it will take that keywords also. Okay, so because I pressed enter key, so it got refreshed. So I will just use it again. Give me a moment. Okay, so now PHP developer, then PHP 5, core PHP. These are some keywords which I am using. So location I will write here Mumbai and click on go. So now this source hub or social talent will give you some keywords in job title. So if you think it are useful, you can keep it or you can delete that. So some of it I am actually deleting. So cake PHP is there, so I'll keep it. Then it will give you certain skills also, so you can remove if you want. And then you can perform the search in LinkedIn, in Twitter, in GitHub, or in all others sites. So you can save the search also while clicking here. So we'll try with LinkedIn first. So now this has automatically developed the strings, and that too for different sites. So now you don't need to type anything. You should just write your keywords, proper keywords and the designation. So now see, you got near about 307 people of PHP in LinkedIn. Again, how to find their contact details we have just discussed. Okay, so now coming back to social talent again, this is for Twitter. So just right click and use this. So now you might find some profiles in Twitter also. So this is another tool, follower monk. So it will show you some Twitter profiles for PHP developer. Yes, there are near about 568 profile for PHP developers. As I said, there are different sites also wherein you can get the results. So you can give it a try, do proper R&D, and also, as I said, use certain logics such as a PHP developer will write developer, coder, programmer, and use maximum skills you required in that PHP developer so that the system will fetch the exact data for you. So there were 4 users in this GitHub. So this is a social talent wherein you don't have to prepare anything. You can make a see in history also, in folder also. Again, we will do some search for accountant, and what skills we required is Tally, then GST, then receipt, Tally. So if we don't have that in their drop down, you can't able to use this. So this is a disadvantage of this social talent website. So I'll just write GST. So basically, we will use some another for Java developer. In Java is one of the keyword. Yes. Then J2E. Yes. Then Spring. You can close most of the IT requirement from here. Chennai. Or say it's only go. So now in this search again, you do some eliminate some job title which are not required, eliminate some skills which they have given, and then you can click on LinkedIn so that it will give them the another search. Here, after clicking on it, you will find the different profiles. So there are about 21,000 profiles for this search. And this is the strings what they are using, and whatever we mentioned there in the first video, the same strings are being generated automatically. So yes, this was about social talent. Now another string, let's let's go some another string, Boolean assistant. So let's explore this. Okay. Boolean assistant, it is already in our list. So now I will just click on this Boolean assistant symbol. Now it is asking me to put a job title here. So accountant I'll put, and I'll click on generate Boolean. Now see, it has generated certain Boolean for account assistant, such as Microsoft Excel. You should be aware of Excel, accounting, account reconciliation, account payable, auditing, or QuickBooks. So you get a ready-made string for this profile. So you can type, and this is how you got it. The different keywords. So basically this string is useful if you have the say profile name, you will get all the keywords for that. So it will make your job very much easier. So you have to just add the site colon linkedin.com/in, whereas you want profile from India. So India, IN, enter. Now there are so many strings here. So we got just 8 results for accounts. So as I said, you have to eliminate certain strings which is not required, but you get a fair idea that what are the keywords will be. Suppose if I will eliminate this QuickBook, I don't want a person who is using a QuickBook. So I will just eliminate this. And I will click enter. So now 9 results I have got. So you have to use in such a way this string that it will, you have to just type here the, for example, we'll type here purchase manager. And now we are not aware what are the keywords of purchase manager. So it will help you to generate certain keywords. So this is the most important tool. Now see, supply chain management, strategic sourcing, purchasing. I'll just zoom this so that you can see better. Purchase manager, generate Boolean. So basically this site, you have to just put the job profile and it will give you the relevant keywords. So these are the keywords: purchasing, supply chain, negotiation, logistic, project management. So now you have a fair idea. Now use these keywords, write a site colon and write a location, and you can find your apt candidate. So now let's take for perfumer. This is some niche profile. This is a designation of perfumer, wherein whatever soap we are using, so whatever fragrance is in the soap, these are the people who put that fragrance. So personal care, cosmetics, ingredients, consumer products, beauty industry. So now these are certain keywords for this specific perfumer. It's a very niche profile. So still we got few keywords in that. So this is a Boolean assistant. Now this is most important Chrome extensions called Recruitin. So just type here recruitin.net. So this is the website recruitin.net. I have zoomed it so that you can use it. You can see this properly. Now LinkedIn, Dribbble, GitHub, Zing, Stack Overflow, Twitter. These are the various websites through which you can search the candidate without typing any strings. You don't have to type any strings. The strings will be developed automatically. So select the country here. Then again the job profile. So now again a job profile. So we will use a job profile for let's say for account manager. This is the title. Then account manager. Now the location or keywords to include is Thane. Then keywords which I want is Thane and funding. Then space and finalization. Here now what I will do, I will just click here, find right people on LinkedIn. So now this is the strings which is automatically generated. You can either copy the string, you can save the string, or you can directly open in Google. So now there are 79 profile for accounts manager in LinkedIn. And let's read the string. Account manager, Thane, and funding and finalization, in title profiles. They have minus in title profiles. They have also minus in URL for directory, and they have used a site linkedin.in, site in.linkedin.in, because for India we have selected India. So these are certain profiles for account managers who are working in Thane. So we have made this search very rigid for Thane. So now you can explore it to different keywords. You can explore this search for your location, required location. As I said, here you got this profile, and then use this in tool called Improver. And let's see if you could find some resumes, find some contact details. Okay. So in that case, you can use this contact or get email. So that means his email ID is not there. So let's open it again in Google, and let's see for this Rakesh. Click here on get email, then on contact. Yes, we found it in contact. So this is how also we found in Upwork his company details, the address and email ID. So this is how this this Recruitin is used. Again, you can search for any of the development. If I want a WordPress developer, I will write here keywords as say Mumbai and For WordPress, CSS is required, and WordPress itself is required, and you can use the word as PHP for that WordPress, and then right. So this is the search. You can copy this or you can directly open here. So here you got near about 4,600 PHP WordPress developer. Okay. So this was about Recruiting. Again, this is a free site. It will help you to fetch different strings. You can then do the permutation and combination as per your needs. Now this is the last string, which are last Chrome extensions which we are going to use is Mail Merge or Gmail, which is free for 25 candidates per day. If you go for this paid version, it's very reasonable. It is just 2,500 per annum. In that daily, you get 400 emails. So you can send your offer letter, you can send your job descriptions, you can send your job opportunity mails to 400 people per day if you are a paid member. If you want to use it free, you can still send 25 members job openings per day. You can have a track who has opened the mail, who has opened that job opening link. You can have a track that too. So let's explore this. So I'll close this windows. Now this is my Gmail account because it's a mail merge in Gmail. So you have to use your Gmail account. Okay, now go to Drive, then click here on Drive. Then click here on New. Then open a new file, that is Google Sheet. Okay, now we will understand the process is same, either it's paid or free. The process is same. It's still working. Okay. Now click on add-on. Okay, so now click on add-on, then mail merge with attachments and enable mail merge. So now for this sheet, that mail merge is getting enabled. So again, click on add-on and then configure mail merge. First, we have to enable it, then we have to configure it. It's an automatic process. So now this header has come: first name, last name, middle name, first name, last name, email address, attachments. So now you can send emails on a personalized note. You can write their name, you have to just fill their names, and Gmail will send personalized messages for job openings for that candidate. Okay, so I have a ready-made list just to show you how it works. So I will just copy paste that list here, and I will show you how the mail will go to them. So this is a mail merge data. Okay, so now I have first name and email address. So I'll just copy paste it. I'll just use 25. First name. Then go to email ID. Then email address. So this is sheet is ready. Now the next step is again click on add-on and then click on configure. So now here on the right hand side, you will find the sender email, which is nothing but your email address. Sender name. So I can write my company name, Apt Resources Private Limited. Also, I will just click on then continue. I can add CCBCC also, but I'll just click on continue. So I'll give it a name. So test is the name, test. Okay. Then I'll click on track email, track links and unsubscribe. See here you have to tick on include a unsubscribe link. So there are chances that your email won't get spam or blocked. There are chances that it won't get blocked. Okay. Then go for Gmail draft. See here you can send through a Gmail draft also. Prepare a draft of a job opening and then you can use that draft here. You have to just click on that draft here. So there are different drafts which I have already prepared. So I will use, okay, I use this draft of my payroll course. So I have another course on payroll processing. So I'll use that draft and I will click on continue. So now whatever the matter is there in that draft, it will go in a personalized way. So let's send a test mail, click on go. So now you will come to know in test mail that how the things work. Just click on here. Now this is test mail, Murugesan complete payroll package. Now see, it is personalized. It is going to him. And here I will come to know if he has clicked on this certain links or not. That also I'll come to know. So again, I'll go to mail merge and then I will click on run mail merge. Now see here, you can see it is under process. So this is free, as I said, up to 25 for 25 members. So daily you can send on a personalized note your current job openings or any other details which you want to share in a bulk. Okay. So now the mail merge has been sent. So now we want to see how many people have clicked on our mail merge and on our email, how many have opened and how many have clicked on the links. So again, go to this add-ons, mail merge, go to this add-on mail merge and show campaign reports, open and click. So on the right hand side, you can see the campaign reports. Since we have sent now only, so no one, obviously no one will be there who has opened the link, but that all the statistics you can see here, open, clicks and unsubscribe. I will show you some of my previous statistics. So in this, there are 25 people who have opened the mail. There is 0 click and 0 unsubscribe. So here you can see there are 34 people who has opened my mail, which is for YouTube subscription. So I have a channel called My Online HR Manager in YouTube. So you can go and subscribe there. So see, 36 people have opened it, and there are 6 people who has clicked on that subscription link. So even you can know how many people have clicked on that job opening link, and you can then contact that people. So he's a one person who has clicked 6 times and unsubscribed. Here again, whoever has unsubscribed, you can make a note of also it. I'll show you another example of clicks. So these are different people who has who has clicked on that link. So here you will get to know which link also. So that link also you will come to know. If there are 3-4 links, you will be notified that. So friends, this is for Chrome extensions. So here today we have learned how to find email address, contact details, company's email address and contact details of which the candidates we are looking. We have seen some social talent website where the strings are developed automatically. We have also seen a wonderful Chrome extension called Boolean extension, wherein you just put your job title and you get the keywords automatically. So again, Recruiting, wherein you can find resumes without typing any Boolean string in different websites. So again, there are certain other list also, Signal Hire, Seek Out, and many others. It's not limited to that. So friends, this was the video on Chrome extension. I hope you liked it. Please use permutation, combination, certain logics while finding the requirements. And also, if you have any doubt, you can reach us to us on the given email address. And thank you once again for watching this video. See you on another video.